collage. So right here we have the jaguar, parrot, and sloth. They're all rainforest animals. While the parrot
is colorful, smart, loud, and proud.
And the sloth is slow, happy,
tree hugger.
I
like you.
Yeah, so 3 of us, we can pick our own animals. So what do we want? What do you want, Emma?
I want a parrot.
You want parrot?
I want this one.
You want the sloth?
Yeah, I want sloth.
Okay, and I like the jaguar. All right, so now let's start. To make this animal collage, we have some colorful paper that we can cut them into shapes and you can glue them into these spots, or you could just tear the paper, use your hands, make the small like little shapes, and you can just glue them into these spots. Okay, so once we're done, we're gonna cut the animals out and we're gonna place it on the background. But before we do that, we're going to make the background colorful and pretty. So we got these pink construction papers and then the green ones. We can cut some big leaves, make some flowers, and make a beautiful rainforest background first, and then place our animal on top. And then we'll be done with our craft. And then you'll look something like this, but you'll make your own version of the animal. Yeah. All right, let's get started. All right.
You can always copy it on the side if you want to use it as a template. Or what if I just do this little top part?
Friends, remember once you're done with your craft, send us a picture and tell us about your animal.
Don't we glue that one?
Look, we got to make this. We're going to make this rainforest rainbow wraps. Let's see what we have here, and we're going to create our shopping list, okay? Wraps.
So we have spinach wrap, and then we also have collard green wraps. So you want the collard greens. Okay. What else do we want on there? So we like spinach, and then do you want hummus or cream cheese?
Cream cheese.
Okay, cream cheese.
I want this one.
Which one?
I want this one.
The thin cucumber?
Yeah, I want cucumber.
Okay, we will definitely have cucumber.
All right, let's draw a slice of cucumber.
I want carrot.
Okay.
Let's get carrots.
The carrots,
Cabbage.
cucumber, purple cabbage. Do you know the difference between regular cabbage and purple cabbage?
No. This.
One's a little bit sweeter, I think.
Which one?
I think the purple cabbage.
Carrot.
It's a little sweeter.
I want
That's
this
hummus.
strips.
What does this one say?
Yellow bell pepper strips.
Hummus.
Oh, we did get
What's cherry
carrots?
tomatoes?
cherry tomatoes.
Tomatoes are like the small, tiny tomato, the round, red one. Yeah. Okay.
I want cherry tomatoes.
Do you like cherry tomatoes?
Yeah, I love them.
What about avocado?
Oh, I love avocado.
All right, shopping list for spinach wrap. Let's go look for spinach wrap. Is that this one? We got the green spinach wrap.
We got the first thing on the
Good job. Avocado, look, extra large has avocados. Sophia, look, we're now gonna get cucumber strips. All right, let's go look for it.
Watermelon.
Look, what does it say? Cucumber slice. Yay! Like bell peppers. Here, Sophia. Bell peppers.
Do you want to tell the camera what it is?
It's red cabbage, but it's purple.
Yeah, that's true. It does say red.
This is called red cabbage.
Red cabbage.
Red. What is it? It's a cherry tomatoes because they're tiny tomato like little cherries. It's a small round. Yay!
Cherry tomatoes.
This one. Okay.
Which one is that one?
Here we got cheese, cream cheese. Now we can check it off from our list. Cream cheese.
That's perfect. So what do we have?
Okay. Now we got here. Avocado.
Oh yeah, we have avocados.
We have avocado.
This.
Open your spinach wrap and spread hummus or cream cheese across the wrap. This is your rainforest floor.
Okay. 3. Okay.
Cheese.
Cream cheese. We have hummus.
We're gonna spread it like this.
Oh, that's satisfying. Look.
Spread it.
Good job.
Spread it.
Okay, I'm done.
A lot.
We have cream cheese, hummus, and hummus and cream cheese.
Yeah.
Step 2. Add rows of colorful veggies like layers of the jungle. Cut this part.
Okay. All right. Be careful. You want to put cucumber? You want to count them?
I want to
Okay. 1, 2. Let's keep it all the green in one line. How about like this?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Emma, you
Good
want
job.
cucumber? Don't put it
I
on the
want
pick
broccoli.
You want broccoli?
Yeah. Where do I put it?
Oh.
Good thing you didn't eat any of it. No.
Let's put them in one line.
Good job. Looking good.
I told you.
Now let's add this bell pepper.
Big bell peppers.
Bell pepper rainbow.
Remember the one at your house, like in the morning when I She's my friend.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Hello, my sisters.
But I try to make it rainbow.
You can do it for color. It's more for color.
Yeah. Purple. Do you want a purple? Just do a little bit for color. No. Okay. This is for me. Do you want it? Oh, Sophia, look. This is the avocado.
Whoa, that's a
It's
lot of
not
carrots.
egg.
Not an egg.
Okay.
This is our final
Mhm.
job. Ready to wrap it?
You guys ready to wrap it, Sophia? Let's wrap it. Yeah, one more time. We need to get this in the video.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Good wrap. Good wrap.
Look, Emma. Oh! I got a big broccoli. Okay, Emma, you want to cut yours?
Yes.
I think we'll just end it. We'll just have a bite. Buzz looks the best, I think. 1, 2, 3, have a bite. Hope you enjoy your wrap. Bye.